Developments in automation. More modern developments that have contributed to progress being made in automation technology are the digital computer, improvement in data storage technology and software to write computer programs, the derivation of a mathematical control theory, and advances in sensor technology. The development of the electronic digital computer in 1946 has permitted the control function in automation to be a lot more sophisticated and the associated calculations to be executed way faster than previously possible. Advances in sensor technology have provided a large number of measuring devices that can be used in automatic feedback control systems such as scanning laser beams, machine vision, electrical field techniques, and highly sensitive electromechanical probes. And since World War II, there has evolved a highly advanced mathematical theory of control systems that includes traditional negative feedback control, adaptive control, optimal control, and artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is an advanced field of computer science where a computer is programmed to exhibit characteristics associated with human intelligence, which includes the capacity for learning, reasoning, understanding language, solving problems, rendering expert diagnoses, and similar mental capabilities. Developments made in artificial intelligence are expected to provide robots and other intelligent machines with the ability to better communicate with humans and to accept rather high-level instructions rather than the step-by-step programming that is usually required for today's programmable machines.